shape brush, so cute, to brush these thin ass bundles. Yup, baby lotion. I knew it. Johnson & Johnson at that, because we don't use that cheap baby magic. When I'm not talking to myself like a crazy person, I'm journaling my crazy thoughts.
Am I really that much? And breaking these figures down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a what's in my bag, a what's in my Hello Kitty embossed bag. So first of all, I love what's in my bags video, right? I've loved those videos. I used to like, what's in my bag, what's in my school bag, what's in my gym bag. I love what's in my bags. I'm so nosy, and I've done a couple on my channel and you guys like them too, because you guys are nosy just like me, you know. But no, I'm just playing. But I like to watch like what's in my bags. I don't know why they're so therapeutic, and I feel like right now everybody's decorating their bags and putting charms on their bags. I know people been doing it, but it's just fun. So I'm like, why not? And I have been buying all of the bags the 10-year-old me wanted. So I got some Hello Kitty embossed bags. This one I got was burgundy, and it is in this shape. It's like a duffel bag, and it's so big. It's way bigger than I thought. Like, if you look, this bag is way bigger than I thought it was. Like, when I got this bag, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be a little medium. No, this is definitely like a large or extra large. This bag is huge, and I got it off of, I want to say eBay. I think I got both of them. My black one from my other video where I was decorating it from eBay, and then I got this one from eBay, and I also just ordered one last night from Macari. So when that gets here, tell me if you guys want me to do an unboxing of those. But the reason I got these is I got the basic colors, black, burgundy, and now I got a white one, or ivory one. That's what they label it as. But I got these bags because I wanted these bags so bad as a kid, so bad, and I could never find them. And when I did find them, I would always find the loudest, most obnoxious colors that you could not wear on an everyday basis. So now that I got grown-up money, I'm like, I'm gonna get these bags. Not only do I love Hello Kitty, but also the bags are so cute and they're so cunty and they're just like so fly. So why not? And they're also in like colors that I can wear on every day. So the bag comes with this always. If you guys are buying it secondhand, which you guys probably are, because they came out in 2011, 2010, 2011. So they're probably secondhand. Make sure that they give you the bow. Every bag comes with a bow, I believe. So make sure you get your bow. That's the one thing that if you don't get anything else, make sure you get your bow. This one didn't come with a dust bag, my other one did, and the white one that I just ordered is gonna come with one, but this one was okay. I think I only paid like $40 for this. So yeah, this is that. Let me explain my bag charms. So I got these from the thrift. These two are from the thrift, and then this one, if you guys watch my vlog, I got this one off Temu. It's the Hello Kitty Hawaii charm, but this is I believe an anime character. I got this from the thrift, and then this one my mom picked out from the thrift. I don't know why or what it is, but they just look cute together, so why not? And then on this side of the bag I have a Lafufu, because I do not think it's a real Labubu, and I'm not mad at it, because I will be damned if I spend $150, $50, $60 on a damn bag charm, a toy. Baby, give me the fake one. Give me the Canal Street one. Give me the fake one. I don't wear nothing else fake, but a fake bag charm. Psh, baby, sign me up. Sign me up. But yeah, my parents got me a Labubu, Lafufu, whatever, for my birthday. So I just put it on there, and it's like the orangey color. But yeah. And then I had bag charms, but they're so tiny. I got them from Amazon, but it's this little tiny cherry. I have the cherry, and then I also have it in black. I got it in black. They came in a set of 2 from Amazon, and they was like $7. And then I also got this charm that my mom's co-worker gave her for me. It's this Hello Kitty rhinestone blinged out charm. So yeah. So yeah, now I'm going to unzip the bag, and this bag is huge. When I tell you huge, so I have a pocket right here, a zipper pocket, and then on this side I have a pouch here, and then a pouch here. Let me go through it. And a pouch the open pouch, the largest one, I have a lip gloss. This is from Mentha. This is from Bath & Body Works, the CO Bigelow Mentha Lip Tint in Pink Mint. So I got this one. It's from Bath & Body Works. Love this down. And then I have a charger in here. This charger is for my speaker, which I'm going to show you. And then in the other pocket, I have this hand sanitizer. I got this from Dollar Tree. They went viral on TikTok. These are the Touchland dupes, but from Dollar Tree. The hydrating hand sanitizer cucumber scent. So this is it from Dollar Tree, and you spray your hand. Smell good. Yeah, that's that. So that's that. Now I'm gonna go in this middle pocket. So that was the hand sanitizer, that was the lip gloss and the charger. Now I'm gonna go in this middle section here, the abyss I call it. I have this brush. It's from Forever 21. I don't know if you guys ever know what that is, you know, because it don't exist anymore. But when Forever 21 was a thing, they would have like the cutest little brushes and makeup bags. So I definitely used to frequent there a lot, and I got me this cute heart-shaped brush. So cute, to brush these thin ass bundles. But yeah, I pray my leave out do not puff up. But yeah, so what was I about to say? Yeah, I got this from Forever 21. I think it was like $10. Forever 21 does not exist anymore. So if you're looking for this brush, I don't know, maybe you're gonna have to go on like eBay or something and pray somebody's selling it, but it went out of business. But next thing that's in here is none other than a Hello Kitty bag and a Hello Kitty bag. So Hello Kitty makeup bag, got this from Marshall's. That's what it look like. And it has some essentials. So I got lotion. I wonder what scent this is. I got lotion. What is this? What scent is this? Baby lotion? I don't know. We're about to see. Yup, baby lotion. I knew it. Johnson & Johnson at that, because we don't use that cheap baby magic. I don't like that. My brother got that shit. I don't like it. But Johnson & Johnson. I got some antacids because I'm an old lady and I be having heartburn. I know heartburn is not for old ladies, but I have some antacids in there because when I eat like tomato sauce or sometimes even chocolate, I get heartburn. I don't know why. The next thing I have in that little pouch is toilet tissue. So I have some little toilet tissue. I do think I got them from Five Below. I like the little travel section, but I got some toilet tissue just in case I ever need tissue. I hope I don't ever have to do number 2 and use the bathroom and have to use it, but if I have to, I got it on me. Next thing I got is a mirror. This is a burn bit. Whoa. This is a burn book mirror from the Mean Girls and Profusion collab. I have like 20 of these. I bought as many as I could when I steal them. They're from Mean Girls. But it says, yeah, and it says like, you're like really pretty. It's brand new, so it has the frosted strip on it. But when I pull it off, it's a mirror. Handheld mirror, like, ooh, like cute. I can't even see nothing, but yeah. And then inside of the pouch, I have a pouch inside of the pouch. Okay, so this pouch, I don't know what's in here. Let's see, it's a gold pouch. Oh, and in here I have a little nail file, cotton swab, a handkerchief, some hair ties, and some bobby pins, some needle and thread just in case I gotta sew something. So it's like just a little emergency kit. I'm finding out with y'all. I didn't even know what was in here, but yeah, I got this. And then I have a Touchland hand sanitizer, the fragrance Wild Watermelon. Got that. I have a plethora, not a plethora, but I got a handful of lip glosses. And then I also have this Viva La Juicy fragrance. So yeah, that is all that's in this Hello Kitty pouch. The next thing I pulled out was this. This is an emergency kit I made. It basically has like duplicates of what's in here, but this case is from Target. This is from Target, this case. It has, so I have this Low Key Daisy fragrance in rose and sandalwood. Got this from Ulta. I think it's like $5.99. I don't know if they still had it. I got it a couple months ago. I got a claw clip just in case I want to put my hair up. Gold Bonds Healing Lotion. I have this Wish Advanced Hand Sanitizer, kills 99.99% of germs. So I got a hand sanitizer. I have this DCT Blistex Daily Conditioning Treatment lip balm. I have this Broadway Vita Lip Gloss in Strawberry. I have a nail file. I have a hairbrush, like a wig brush. It has like the little bedingalies. I have an edge brush and a comb. That's cute. Then I have this little hard brush, this bristle brush. It's pink, you guys can see, but yeah. And it has like little hair. Is this gonna be? But yes, this is my little emergency kit. The bag, this zip up pouch is from Target. I forgot the name, but yeah, it's from Target. But yeah, that's what's inside. The next thing I have is a mirror. I got this from Miniso. So cute. It's this Powerpuff Girls mirror from Miniso. It looks like this. So cute. You guys see yourself? Everything's pink. But yeah, I got this mirror. I got it. I seen this in Miniso near me, and I was like, oh, I want to go in there. And I had to buy something, but nothing was grabbing my attention. But I got to the register, and I'm like, wait, they have mirrors? And I love mirrors. Love them. So I got me a mirror. So yeah. The next thing that I have in my pouch is a journal. Just a journal. So if I ever have any thoughts, anything, journal. I am a thought daughter. I journal heavy. I talk to myself heavy. Like a damn psych patient, I know. I do go see the lady too, so relax. But when I'm not talking to myself like a crazy person, I'm journaling my crazy thoughts. But yeah, and then I have a pen. I love these pens. This brand is Bic. I have a black Bic pen. I love these. The ballpoints, love these. Oh, my handwriting looks so sexy. Yeah, DC, Daisy Courtney. That's all y'all need to know. But yeah, and I got a pen to go with it so that I can write down my thoughts. The next, hold on. Ooh. The next thing, okay, wait a minute. The next thing I have in my purse is a fragrance. It is Vanilla Suede. It's a fine fragrance mist, and it's from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. It smells like a dryer sheet. I don't know, like a laundry dryer sheet. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but yeah, it smells so good. So yeah, love it. But yeah, love that fragrance. So yeah, Bath and Body Works. Y'all too cute for Bath and Body Works? Oh, I thought so. Yeah, better not be. But yeah, the next thing that I have is some Kleenex, and this is the on-the-go Kleenex. You need some tissue, because one thing about me, my eyes will start watering, my nose will start running, so I need Kleenex. The next thing I pulled out is my hand wallet, well, my hand wristlet. So in here I have all my like cards, some little cash, some change, as you guys can hear. So if I ever need to, like, I don't want to carry this heavy bag, I could just take this, and it has my cards, my ID, my driver's license, has everything in here. So yeah, and I got this from Forever 21, but it's no longer a thing. But I got this in Forever 21. I got this at Forever 21 maybe like last year or so, and I got it in black, pink, and white. I got 2 of each color because they were like $6 when it was on sale. So yeah, got those. Then remember the charger I had earlier for the speaker? This is the speaker. So this is the Bitty Boomer. It's so tiny. I see the speaker head, but it's like chunky. It's a little speaker. I forgot I had it, and I saw it when I was going through my phone case, and I was like, wait, let me just put this in my bag, because where else am I gonna put it? But yeah, it's a little Bitty Boomer. You connect it to your phone, and you got a speaker. So yeah, and I have the charger, so if it dies, I got the charger. Speaking of chargers, that's the next thing that's in my bag. So I got this. This is a charger. I just left it in the pouch. I got it off Amazon. A charger, a USB-C charger, pink, favorite color, charging block, and pink as well. So it's a set. So yeah, a charger and a plug. The next thing that I have in my purse is gum. I got some Trident gum. Flavor is spearmint. I like to chew gum sometimes when I'm anxious, because one thing about it, my breath don't be funky. Don't do me like that. But just in case, I got me some gum. But I typically like to chew gum when I'm anxious. So yeah, Trident gum. And then the bag is empty. It just has my brush in here, but this is the pouch, the zipper pocket, and in here I have none other than a Hello Kitty mirror and a Hello Kitty bag, and I also have the charger that goes with that. So bow, you open it, turn it on. You guys see yourself? Look at you. What do you have to say for yourself? I have this mirror. I actually had one of these in one of my purses and it broke, like it cracked, and I threw it away because I have like 1,000 of these. But yeah, got a mirror. That's all that's in my bag. Everything is back in the purse. So that's it, that's all. Everything is redundant. I had like 4 mirrors, 3 brushes, 5 hand sanitizers, but everything is pretty much redundant. Yeah, that's all the stuff that I feel like I need in my bag. Like, I don't know. Am I missing something? If I'm missing something, comment down below what I'm missing. But yeah, that's my purse. That's what it looks like. This huge bag. This bag is huge. But this is, that's all. I love having big purses because now I just feel like so mother. Like, yeah, I'm here to pick my kids up from school. I just look like a ghetto mom. Just ghetto. I would be a ghetto mom. But yeah, I just feel so bad bitch. Like, in your hand just, you got a bag on your arm. Like, that just looks so fly. I don't know. But it's killing me. But yeah, this is my purse. Really cute. I'm gonna get another charm, maybe another lafufu, and I'll put it on the other side. But yeah, this is it. That's all. That is a wrap. That's all I have. That's all I have inside of my bag. That's every single thing, every pocket cleared out. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
A few moments later.
Oh, I forgot to say this, so let me say this. But my phone, I have a phone, and obviously when I'm outside I have my phone here, but I'm in the house. But yeah, my phone would be in there. But yeah, just my phone. So yeah, but that's it, that's all.